This video describes the new rotary axis table setup option, now available in Esprit. This part cannot be successfully programmed using only the linear axes available on this machine. To complete the program and simulation, we must add a rotary table. In Machine Setup, select the Rotary Table option. Select a Rotary Table GDML file, and then click Open. Rotary Table Setup presents the same options as any other fixture setup. If necessary, enter values into the Translate and Rotate fields to adjust the position of the rotary table on the machine. Click OK to confirm the table's position. Next, cut the original fixture from the machine setup and paste it under the rotary table. The fixture is now mounted to the rotary table. Click OK to confirm the assembly. With the new 4th and 5th axes, Esprit can successfully rebuild the operations. And program simulation is successful. Thank you for watching this Esprit product feature video. For more information about this and other new features in Esprit, refer to the release bulletin and product help.